Microsoft OneNote gives you easy option to add in bullets and numbering according to the design that you like. So for that, I'm going to create a list over here. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to start typing. So I'm going to say item 1, enter, item 2, enter, item 3, and so forth. So if I want to make it a bullet, I can simply select it out and I can add in bullet points by actually going over here under my home tab, and over here you can see bullets. So I can simply click it and a default bullet actually appears just like that. If I want to change the bullet, then I can simply go over here onto the drop down menu and there are different bullets that I can select from. For example, I can select this telephone icon right here. So I can select all of them and select the bullet. So just select the bullet telephone icon. I can also go over here and I can select the mail icon just like that. If I want numbering instead, I cannot do that with the numbering option right here. So I can go for numbering right here. It's 1, 2, 3, and I can also expand this. I can select first, second, third, and so forth. So there are different sort of numbered list as well. I can also go over here. I can go to customize number list right here, and here you have a lot of options. So you can choose the sequence right here, different sequence, and you can choose the variation of the sequence right here as well. So you can see that A dot comma, B dot comma, C dot comma is the sequence that you see right here. So you can select even much more level of sequence for bullets and numbering like that. So that is how you can add in bullets and numbering inside of OneNote. And if you want to add an item in between, you can just press enter and another bullet actually just comes up, and another bullet actually just comes up just like that. You can also remove this out, okay, and that removes the numbering just like that. So that is how you can add in bullets and numbering right here. So now you can also go over here and do the same with the bullets as well. So you can just go over here and select the bullet of your choice and then work around, remove any items just like that, and just remove that by pressing backspace and so forth. So that is how you can work with bullets and numbering inside of Microsoft OneNote. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.